Hey guys, Rusty here at Ugly HT. Today I'm working on a BMW, this 528i. Now I don't want to be wrong here. 535i. So the issue with this, as you can hear, is the whistling. Now you're supposed to test the valve cover. I don't have a vacuum gauge anymore because of the storm. But this whistling can be caused by three things: valve cover, front seal, rear seal. One of the ways to test for the rear seal is to check it for an oil leak. Or if you pull this cap and the whistling goes away, then the rear seal is the issue. Plus, when you put it in the air, you could hear it right next to the transmission more. You'll hear it all over the place up here, but when you go down on the bottom, you'll hear it like right there at the transmission. Plus, if you're leaking oil there, what's happening is, supposedly, from what I'm reading from tech tips, is the valve cover causes too much pull to the turbo, causing too much vacuum in the crankcase. And if the seals are leaking, it basically sucks them in, and then you'll start running lean, misfiring. So if you got one of these that's whistling like that, also it'll whistle mainly when it's hot. When it's cold, it's got to warm up. The oil's got to warm up or something. Something's got to get hot under there. But yeah. So we're gonna pull this rear seal. Hopefully it corrects the issue, because I don't have my vacuum gauge to test the vacuum pull up here, which is supposed to be kind of minimal. Should be a little bit of vacuum, but it's not supposed to be like high. I'll post another video once it's done, and then we'll see where we're at. Thanks guys, check back later.